Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, the eduMate. Friends, in this video, we will learn 10 line speech on Teachers Day. And before starting this video, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more such educational videos. So let's start our video. As you know, Teachers Day is approaching and almost in every part and every school in India, it is celebrated with joy and enthusiasm. Many of the students are being given some tasks like reciting poems, singing songs dedicated to our teachers, or some speech kind of thing. So here we will be providing you the ease to prepare speech in just 10 lines. Let's start. And the first line can be, good morning to all respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. So first we will greet all the spectators. Second line can be, wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. Next, third line, Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th of September every year in India. Now we have to discuss about a few points about this Teachers Day. Fourth line is, the first Teacher Day was celebrated in India on 5th of September 1962. Fifth line, it is the birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna recipient Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Next, he was a great president, a great scholar, and an excellent teacher. Seventh line, celebrating Teachers Day is the best way for students to express love and respect for their teachers. Eighth line can be, every student is a reflection of his or her teacher. Ninth line, teachers are the backbone of our society. And 10th, it can be, dear friends, we should always obey our teachers and follow their advice. So friends, this is the way a speech can be. If you like the video, don't hesitate to hit the like button. And do mention your favorite teacher name in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.